Give me your sweet voice. कहो एक बार
हे मित्र सनातन धर्म की जय।
Give me your voice.
कहो एक बार हे मित्र वैदिक धर्म की जय हो। सनातन धर्म की जय हो। वैदिक धर्म की जय हो। वैदिक धर्म की जय हो। आर्य समाज की जय हो। कहो एक बार हे मित्र सनातन धर्म की जय हो। वैदिक धर्म की जय हो। आर्य समाज की जय हो।
Clasp palms for a moment. Let's ask God for the receptiveness in mind to take in all that is being given as a discourse, as a pravachan. Om Vishwani Deva Savita Duritani Parasuva Yad Bhadram Tanna Asu. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Last week we talked about all of us being out in the cold, and we tried to draw parallels between the story of my brother Bhai Bhisham out in the cold, and he's shivering, and the cold here means wrong understanding. And when we have wrong understanding, we are out of the house of God, as it were. We gave a story of somebody possessing a home. His daddy's home is warm. And it's a warm home. But he opened the door on his own. He left the home on his own. And he went outside into the January winter in the outside. And after 5 minutes, he started to tremble. And then the father didn't see his son in the house, and he sent his elder brother Raju. Say, go see where your bigger brother Bhai Bhisham is. And when he went out, he saw Bhai Bhisham shivering in the cold. And he tapped him on his shoulder and said, why do you subject yourself to so much discomfort? Why don't you turn the knob, as I will now do? And why don't you come back inside? And that's what's happening to all of us. Shri Ram came, Shri Krishna came, Mata Sita came, Rishi Dayanand came, Swami Shraddhanand came. That picture, the middle picture on your right hand side, Shravan Kumar came, all to touch us and to tell us, come back home. And all it needs for you to do is to take your hand and put it on the knob and to turn that door and walk straight in. And mommy and daddy will ask, son, why did you ever leave us in the first case? And why did you go out to the suffering that the cold causes on the outside? And today I'm telling me and you, myself too. By the way, when I make these pravachans, I'm not talking down to you. I'm talking with you because the call is coming from my own heart. And I'm suffering the way you are suffering. Perhaps you may be suffering less and I may be suffering more. But we are all suffering the same way. We all need to turn around and to turn that knob and to go in. But here's the question. Many people might know. Many people might not know how to turn that knob. And I've tried in my own imperfect way. I've tried in my own imperfect way to suggest a few strategies whereby you may come back home. I may come back home. Let's go. Raga dvesha taj man ko shodhe. Raga dvesh tan man ko shodhe. तो नर सत्य ज्ञान अवबोधे, तो नर सत्य ज्ञान अवबोधे। राग राग द्वेष तज मन को शोधे तो नर सत्य ज्ञान लाभ होय तो सुख नहीं जाने लाभ होय लाभ होय लाभ होय तो सुख नहीं जाने together हानि हो तो दुख नहीं माने हानि हो तो दुख नहीं माने These are a few strategies. Bhai Satish ji, where did you get them? Satyat Prakash. How can I feel the warmth of God's presence again at least? And it's telling you, give up like and dislike, rag and dvesh. Give up like and dislike. And if you check your life, just sit down and step back for a moment and see how much like and dislike you involve and engross your mind in. Not need. Need is something whole different from want and not want. Want and not want. And Shri Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita says, if man has an enemy, it's a twin enemy of want and not want, or like and dislike, like and not like. Because when I like something or somebody, I'm infatuated with that something and somebody. And when I dislike something or somebody, I have all the hate in the world for that something and somebody. And look at me, we are tossed on this seesaw of like for a moment and dislike for the other moment, and like for a moment and dislike for the other moment. And when we like, we smile, and when we dislike, we cry. Or when we like and don't get, we get angry, and we are tossed between the dual emotions of like and dislike. Do you want to find God? Do you want to experience God? Help me with that, baby, please. Do you want to experience God? Then take your mind away from like and dislike. And when you take your mind away from like and dislike, when you take your mind away from like and dislike, then the truth will dawn on your mind in 2007. For 2006, 2005, 2004, there was darkness of ignorance in our mind. Can you help me, Anand? Can you, please don't feel embarrassed. Sit with baby at the back. I know he's enjoying himself, but he's taking my attention away. Just sit at the back for a while, please, and then you'll come back a little later. And I'm asking you, don't be upset, Anand. You're like my own son. That's all right. Raga, hold the music. Raga dvesh. Taj means give up. Raga dvesh. Taj man ko shodhe. Shodhana means to cleanse. Man means your mind. It means that stains are left by like and dislike. Stains are left by like and dislike. And you know what you need to do this 2007? You need to take a certain kind of detergent and wash the cloth of your mind clean of the stains of like and dislike. They're your worst enemies. Why? Because when you like, you have expectation that one day you're going to get. If I like this computer, if I like it, I begin to entertain the desire to want to possess it. And even though I don't need it, but I like it, so I want it. And in wanting it, I will one day possess it. And if anybody stands in my way of possessing this computer, God, I get angry. And I'm shoved from this post to that post, from like and dislike, and they're not very different. They're two sides of the same coin. And as I'm being shoved and pushed from one corner to the next corner,